Now, have you ever wondered if you could create shorts with the use of AI and monetize them? Because as you may know, YouTube has an algorithm which detects that the AI has been used to create a certain video, and then they might not monetize it. And that sucks, right? But here today I come to you with a new tool which will create a perfect video for you that you can use on YouTube and monetize and make money with that. Like for example, if you look at this channel, it has almost 1.5 million subscribers and they are getting at least 1 million views on every other video. And they're all generated with the use of AI and making a lot of crazy money. Now on a second thought, you can of course make your own videos by the use of tools such as Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut, and then use AI to generate images and a script. Like for example, you can go to ChatGPT and tell a story and then it will create the script for you. And then you can use tools like CapCut, where you will come and put all of your images generated with the use of AI and put them all together. But that will require you to buy their premium packages. For example, for CapCut, in order to use all the features and cool effects, you may have to pay a premium fee. And the same goes for the image generation tools. For example, if you go to Google and search for a Midjourney subscription plans, you can see it starts from around $8 a month, and even then with the fees it can round up to $12. So that's a lot of fee that you're paying. But this method that I bring to you is an automated way of creating shorts, meaning you have to do no work, but still you will get a high quality short generated for you. And the tool that I'm about to show you is known as Smartshort.co. So if you just come here and search for this tool, you will come up with a page like this, and here you can sign up. As I'm already logged in, I don't see the sign in button, but if I disconnect, then I can sign in again by clicking this button, and you can either join with Discord or Google. I will go with Google here. And once you're logged in, you can see there is a crazy looking homepage they have with a nice and well animated short playing in the middle. And here, if you scroll down, you can also see the steps that they have written to generate the shorts. For example, for here they said prepare your video, and then they're saying to get your story ready. So this is a really nice approach here. You can see the steps and they're guiding you how you can use their tool and utilize the best of their services. And this is what intrigues me the most. It says 100% unique style per generation, and I can affirm that because all of the shorts that I have generated with this tool came out to be as unique as they could be. And this is the pricing section of this tool. So if you want to pay the Pro edition, you can go for $69 a month. But I think for all your needs, a $19 per month would be sufficient because you get 20 shorts credit per month. And I think that's enough. You don't have to post 2 to 3 shorts a day. You can post 1 a day and that will be sufficient. So now if you go to the top of your page, you can see this is where you will write a prompt, but instead of a prompt, this is basically a video idea. And you can also use some of these random ones which are suggested. You can also choose languages. There are a lot of languages to choose from, which is insane. I don't think any other tool gives you such an option. For example, if I come here and write my video idea, such as I will go with something cosmic and then click on this generate button. Now it will create a script for you, so you don't have to do anything at all. All you did was give the idea. I just gave one word and it came up with a script for me. Now you can click on the next button here, and then it will take you to the page where you can select an audio. So there are a lot of ones which you can choose. Of course, there are some premium ones for which you will have to pay a premium fee, but I think the basic ones are good as well.
In the kitchen, the aroma of freshly...
Yeah, I think I'll go with this Nova here, and then once it's selected, I'll click on the next button. There we have some more options, such as it says one footage every 2.5 seconds. Basically, this means every 2.5 seconds, the image will change. You can also change this and keep it at a minimum of 2 seconds or a maximum of 5 seconds. So I think the sooner images change, the better. So I'll keep it at the minimum, which is 2 seconds. Then we have a transition effect, which basically adds a transition between the clips or the footage that is being replaced. And then we have crazy sound effects. We have remove silence, as of course silence is a very bad part in AI generated videos, as you can always have some sort of silent parts in a video generated by AI. So this will remove that and make sure that doesn't happen here, so we get the best quality out of our videos. And then there are animated footages which will include all the crazy effects without even having to do any work at all. And now that you have selected all these and chosen a time frame for your footages to change, click on the generate button. There we have a cool animation going on, and then it will take us to a next page where we can see the processing of our video. As you can see, our short is being generated and we can see the processing along with some time here. Don't you worry, this tool is very quick. It won't take a lot of time to process your videos, so sit back and relax for just a couple of minutes. And there you go, you have received a notification that the video has finished processing, and it also says ready right here. And if you click on this video, you can play that up. And now if we play this video and have a look at this tool.
Cosmic forces shaping the universe we know. But have you ever considered the hidden world of dark matter, making up 27% of all matter and energy? It's unseen, yet its effects on galaxies are...
I think the video came out exactly like how I had imagined it to be. It grasped my idea perfectly well. Let's further see the video and see how that looks.
That our universe might not be the only one is both mind-boggling and it's...
Now as you can see, it has clearly done a lot of work for us with all the crazy animation, with the subtitles, the crazy icons and the animations. I am mind blown with this tool. And not only that, on the left panel you have all the options you will ever need to make changes to it. For example, you can add more to the text, such as if you click here, you can remove this emoji and add some more here. And you can also add more to this as well. And then you have the styles tab. If you click here, you can add or change the styles for how the text might appear, and there are a lot of cool ones. As you can clearly see here, these are much nicer than any other AI tool I have seen. I don't think any other AI tool gives you such an option as well. You can also edit the script. So basically these are all the advanced settings that are presented to you, and you can make any changes as you please. And then there is a footage tab. So if you have some custom images you have generated, you can replace them here as well. And of course, all the transitions and effects will still be applied to those as well. So that is a plus point. Then there are some extra options. You can also change the music or add a background music from here. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let us know down in comments what do you think about this new tool, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.